with climate change, we are seeing an increasing number of natural disasters, whether they are hurricanes, tsunamis, earthquakes, wildfires, and emerging technologies such as IoT devices and sensors can help us address this and respond to it more effectively. And it helps us in many ways. It helps us detecting them early by deploying these sensors closer to where the event is happening, being able to detect them and also analyze it by deploying tools and methods based on AI and machine learning closer to where the event is happening. The second thing it can do is help us respond to it. For example, you have an emergency and you want to evacuate people, you can find out what is the best route, how to direct traffic using these devices. And finally, it can help us communicate to the people and make them aware of what's going on, right? And so I think these new technologies will help us manage this and reduce the impact of these events on human life and on property. As we all know, we are seeing an increasing pollution of our waterways, of our oceans. And one big pollutant is plastics, right? And this have a very disastrous impact on our sea life, whether it is having fish getting entangled in these plastics that are there or ingesting them and dying from that ingestion. Clearly, we have to do something about it, and new technologies such as smart devices and IoT sensors can really help us do that, and it can help us in many ways. For example, it can help us detect where these are and help us with cleanup. They can also be smart enough to provide signals that might keep sea life away from them. They can help us provide incentives to humans so that they dispose of these things more effectively. And finally, they can help us communicate on things we should do and not do so that we can manage our pollution better.